Hello and good morning dear students. So in today's class we'll start from question number 10. Okay, question number 10. Please read the question. The question says, in a single throw of a dice, find the probability of getting number 5, number 8, number less than 8 and a prime number. Okay, so what is the experiment going on out here? The experiment is you are rolling a die. So please write down when a dice is rolled. Alright, then the sample space, total number of outcomes will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I might be getting any of these numbers. So total there will be how many outcomes? 6 outcomes. I'm again telling you boys, whenever we are doing problems on probability, okay, the first thing you'll see is the experiment and then the sample space. How many? This is very important because this is in the denominator. Okay. Now let's go to the question. Question number 1. We are asked to find the probability of getting number 5. We know the formula is number of favorable chances divided by total number of chances, right? So number of favorable chances. How many times 5 can come? Only once. Okay. So therefore 1 by 6. This is our answer. Number 2. Probability of getting number 8. Right? First of all, there is no such number which has 8. So hence the probability will be 0 by 6, which will be 0. Okay? There is no chance of getting 8. Number 3, we move. Find the probability of number less than 8. Okay, probability of getting less than 8. Obviously less than 8 means all the numbers, right? It can be 6, it can be 5, it can be 4, 3, 2, 1. All these numbers are less than 8. So how many chances are there? So total 6 chances are there. Any number can come, right? So divided by total 6. So hence the answer is 1. And then the last one, probability of a prime number, of getting a prime number. Okay, please tell me which numbers are prime numbers. Numbers which are divisible by 1 and itself, but except 1. 1 is not a prime number. Okay, so all those numbers which are divisible by 1 and itself, so it will be 2, 3 and 5. Because 4 is not a prime number, 6 is not a prime number. 4 is divisible by 2 and 6 is also divisible by 3 and 2. So these two numbers are not prime numbers. So only 3 prime numbers out here will be 2, 3 and 5. So the how many chances? 3 chances out of 6. So hence the answer will be half. Okay boys. So very simple chapter. Okay. Just see the experiment, then the sample space, and what is the question asking you. Accordingly we have to go. Okay. So pause the video, note it down. Alright boys, let's proceed with question number 11. Number 11 is a similar type of question. The question says a die is rolled. So whenever die is rolled, the sample space is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 outcomes. Okay. Question number 1 is find the probability of getting even number. So even number. So when a die is rolled, are you understanding my point? When a die is rolled, what is the chances that I'll get an even number? Okay, so even number is 2 is also even number, 4 is also even number, 6 is also even number, right? So there are 3 chances. Out of 6, there are 3 chances. Favorable chances is 3. So hence 3 by total 6. So answer is half. Okay. Number 2, find the probability of getting a number whenever a die is rolled. Find the probability of getting a number between 3 and 8. Between 3 and 8. First of all, there are only 6 faces. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now between 3 and 8, so the number which comes between 3 and 8 are 4, 5 and 6. So again 3 chances, so 3 by 6 will be half. The third one is very interesting. Probability of getting an even number or a multiple of 3. See, both has to be there, okay? Even number or a multiple of 3. So even numbers are 2, 4, 6, so 3 chances. Multiple of 3, 2, 4, 6, 3 chances, and multiple of 3 is even 3. So total there are 4 chances, that is 4 by 6. So 4 by 6 means 2 by 3. Okay boys, so please pause the video and note it down. Now boys, question number 12 is very simple and as well as very important for us to understand. Among all this, which are not the probabilities of any event? Okay, so I've told you probability of any event, the value for probability will be either in fraction, okay, either in decimal also it's okay, but it cannot exceed this range. It cannot exceed 1, it cannot be more than 1, and it cannot be less than 0. So among all this, which are the values of probability of any event which cannot be? So first of all, this is, it can be, this not, because this is greater than 1, it is possible because 43/100 is in fraction, negative not possible, minus 3.2 not possible, and this one is possible. So hence the one which are not probability of any event is number 2, number 4, and number 5. Okay, so these are your answers. So please note it down. Alright boys, so let's move on to question number 13. Question number 13 says, a bag contains 6 identical black balls. So there is a bag. Now in this bags there are 6 identical black balls. Small size black balls. Okay, identical black balls. So how many black balls are there? So total balls there are 6, and all of them are of same color black. Okay, now a child comes and he or she draws, a child draws a ball. So he is taking out a ball from the bag without looking into the color. Okay, the question says, what is the probability that he takes out a white ball? First of all, there is no white ball inside the bag, so there is no chance of getting any white ball. So hence the probability is going to be 0 out of 6, which is 0. Okay, and number 2, probability of getting a black ball. See, he is drawing one ball at a time. He is drawing one ball at a time. So what is his chances of getting a black ball? So obviously 6, right? Favorable chances. How many black balls are there? There are 6 black balls, right? So hence his chances is 6 by 6, which is 1. So please pause the video and note it down. Alright boys, so next question is question number 14. Very interesting question, okay? Now, the question says, a single letter is selected at random from the word probability. Okay, let's focus on the word probability. P-R-O-B-A, B-I-L-I-T-Y, probability. Okay, now, any word is been selected from this word, any letter is been selected from this word probability. Okay, now, the question is telling you, find what is the probability that it is a vowel. Are you understanding my point? There is a word probability, and then I am now selecting a letter. Okay, what is the probability that the selected letter is a vowel? Okay, so first of all we have to understand vowel means the letters A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U are the vowels. Okay, and now you see out here, probability of getting vowel, favorable chances divided by total. So total number of letters out here is 11 letters, and let us count the vowels out here. P is not, R is not, but O is a vowel, A is a vowel, I is a vowel, again I is a vowel. So total chances of getting a vowel from the word probability is 4 out of 11. Simple calculation. Very easy. Okay, because O, A, I are only the vowels from the word probability. So whenever I select any word from whenever I select any letter from this word probability, the probability of getting a vowel will be how much? 4 by 11. Okay, so the last question out here I want to give you as homework. So question number 15 will be your homework, boys. So complete all the sums as well as question 15 and submit it by tomorrow, and in the next class we'll start with exercise 25B. So that's it for today. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.